Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your carrier air conditioner to your smartphone. With this setup, you can control your AC anytime, anywhere, directly from the app. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your AC and Wi-Fi. First, make sure your carrier AC model supports Wi-Fi connectivity. Most recent models do. Also, check that your home Wi-Fi is working properly and that you know the password, because we'll need it during setup. Step 2. Download the app. On your phone, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Carrier Air Conditioner or Carrier Smart Control app and download it. Once it's installed, open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. Step 3. Connect AC to the app. In the app, tap Add Device. Now, put your AC into Wi-Fi setup mode. Usually, you do this by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi button or the mode button on your AC remote until the Wi-Fi icon starts blinking on the AC display. Step 4. Enter Wi-Fi details. Once your AC is in pairing mode, the app will ask for your Wi-Fi network name and password. Enter the details and tap Connect. The app will now link your AC to your phone. Step 5. Control your AC from your phone. After a successful connection, you'll see your AC listed in the app. From here you can turn it on or off, adjust the temperature and fan speed, set timers or schedules, and even control it when you're away from home. And that's it. You've successfully connected your carrier AC to your smartphone for smart remote control. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.